In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account. Make sure you are signed in to the correct workspace before you continue, especially if you manage more than one account. Starting in Hubspot is important because this integration is first installed through the Hubspot app marketplace. Once you are inside your account, go to the top navigation bar and look for the marketplace icon. This is the shopping bag icon. Click on it and then select App Marketplace from the drop-down menu. This will open the area where Hubspot lets you browse and install third-party tools and integrations. From there, use the search bar to look for Typeform. When the results appear, select Typeform from the list. This will take you to the app page where you can review the integration and begin the connection process. Take a moment to confirm that you have opened the correct app so you are connecting the right service. Next, click Install App in the top right corner. This starts the setup process and tells Hubspot that you want to connect your Typeform account. After that, you will be redirected to Typeform. This is normal, and it is part of the authorization step that allows the two platforms to communicate securely. When you arrive in Typeform, log into your account and authorize the connection. This permission step is what links Typeform with Hubspot, so data can move between the two systems. If prompted, review the access request carefully, then approve it to continue. Once the connection is complete, return to the specific form you want to use inside Typeform. Open that form and go to the Connect panel. This is where you will finish the setup by mapping your fields. Field mapping simply means matching the information collected in Typeform, such as names or email addresses, to the correct properties in Hubspot. This part is important because it ensures your submissions are sent to the right places inside your CRM. As you complete the mapping, double-check that each field lines up correctly. A small mismatch here can cause data to appear in the wrong property or not sync as expected. Taking an extra moment to review everything can save time later. Once your fields are mapped, your Typeform and Hubspot integration should be ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.